Hi everybody, this is Kevin, and today we're going to learn the code for inserting image in HTML. And what that basically means is how to put a photo in your web page, and I'll show you a couple examples of that. So here's page 1 here, and this is the photo. And when you insert the photo, if you put the right HTML code, you can wrap the text around it. And that's basically what we want to do. Here's another one. And you want to make your photo relevant to the subject of your particular post. So you have a photo and a post that relate to each other. And here's one more. First post, this is just a picture of a post. Again, the text is wrapped around it. And what we're going to learn today will show you how to do, how to choose the right photo and how to give it the proper title. The title of the photo will be internal, but it will be the robots of YouTube or Google rather will search the web pages and read the description that you have on your photo. This is just a little extra help that you can give the Google to find your web pages and so forth. So first thing we want to do is to decide which one we want. So we'll go right here. I'm pretty sure there's no photo on this particular post. So what I need to do is find a photo and insert it here. So what we're going to do is just go over to Shutterstock. We'll just type in what we basically want to have. We want a photo of a YouTube channel. So let's see what we got. Alright, well, we don't want to be too picky. We just want a photo of what a YouTube channel might look like. This is probably as good as anything. So just left click it there. And here's the photo. We're going to right click it and save the image. And right in here, we just want to delete all that. Just type in what the picture is about. So it's going to be YouTube channel. That's basically it. And we'll just save it. And this is a draft, which I'm just using to upload the photo HTML. So we want to have that. So edit that. And just kind of drop that down a little bit. So what we want to do over here, these little things pop up on Blogger. Just hit dismiss. Okay, so here we are. We want to choose what the photo we want to put on here. And here is the photo of our YouTube channel. So we're just going to click it. I'm going to add it. Just leave it the way it is, medium. Usually this works out. Okay, now right here is the photo. So just to give you an example, if I hit save and preview it, there's the photo of our YouTube picture. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to grab this code and we're going to copy it, and we're going to close this particular post and go to the post we want to insert the photo into. And here's the post we want to add the image to, so we just hit edit. Now you need to decide where you want to put the image. Up top is the code for the video, and highlighted in yellow. Let me just show you what that looks like. Right here, this video, this is where we want to have the image inserted and have this yellow text wrapped around it. So go back to, and what we're going to do is just right below that break, we're going to put the image right there. now we'll just update it, and then we'll take a look at it. Refresh the page here. Alright, now, right now it's not exactly the way we want it, but we have the photo there. Now we have to figure out how we're going to get this text wrapped around the photo. Other post, and we'll click on one. I have a photo already inserted. Take a look at the code for it. Here's the code for the photo on this particular page 1. But at the very top, you'll see this little right here. This is the code that makes the text float to the image will float to the left, and the text will float to the right. So I'm going to copy that. And just so you know, at the end of the text, or at the end of the code for the picture, we have to add this /div on. I'll do that manually. But I got this copy, so I'm going to close this down. And let's see now. Here's the code for the photo. So let's put that, space it down, paste in that div float left, and the end of the photo HTML we're going to put so that closes it off. So I'll update it again, back on the page and refresh it, and voila. And there we have the photo added. The text is wrapped around it, and you can do some fine-tuning here. I'll show you one way to fine-tune a little bit. You can space out some of this text so it looks a little bit nicer. So let me see how to do that. So back on the post HTML, here's the first sentence in yellow, and then I'll just put the cursor there, tap it down, back up again, go up again. I'll add my little breaks. 2 breaks in a row will space it out a little bit. And here's the second line, and we'll do one more down here because we want to space it out as much as we can. And I'll put 2 more breaks there. Alright, now we'll refresh it, update it, and go back to the page and refresh it again. Alright, so there's the first sentence, the second sentence, and so forth. I don't like this, so let me do a little bit more than this sentence here. I'm just going to drop down, put double breaks in there. And refresh the page. Keep saying refresh, update the page or post, and go back to the page and refresh this. And I think that looks a little better. There's my subscribe to my YouTube channel link and so forth. So that's basically it. You want to have a photo in every post, and you want to be able to make it look nice, so you space it out a little bit. One other thing I want to go and just mention to you one more time. Going back on the post HTML, the code for the picture, when Google robots scan your website and they see a photo, they don't really know what the photo is about. All they initially see is all this here. But when you type in the name YouTube channel, then they know that the post is about, or the photo is about a YouTube channel, and your post is about a YouTube channel, and it makes it more relevant. So this won't make any overnight differences on how your website is ranked per se, but it does help. And of course, you want to be able to do anything you can to make your website noticed by Google so it ranks as high as it possibly can. Images and posts, that's what this particular video is about. And as time goes on, I'll be adding more and more videos, and hopefully you'll be able to utilize this information in making your own website. I hope you have enjoyed this video today. And don't forget, as always, if you would like to get my videos sent to you, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully the information will make it easy for you to do the same. This is Kevin for Best Free Website Creator. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.